What you doing, little buddy? Huh? What you doing, little buddy?
You had a halter on him and got you. That's why I see right there. See where it got too small for him. Because Remy come over with the dog leash and take him for a walk.
Yeah. You quit eating my truck. Quit eating my truck. Get down. Come here.
Come on, dummy.
Come on. Does he have a name?
George is what.
George. George. Come here.
Be.
Come here, George. Little pain in the butt. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? All right.
Thank you, dear. We'll be careful.
Will do.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you.
We're going to go north, I guess.
George. No. Stay away from my truck.